In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a classic exercise, which is jogging on the spot. It's a fantastic cardiovascular exercise, warm-up exercise, and cool-down exercise that often is briefly overlooked. We just assume we know how to do it, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to start off at hip width apart. Now from here, I want you to just look at my feet and my lower body, okay? So my feet are going to do this, okay? So they're going to come off, my heels come off the floor, as does the whole of the foot. Now, if I start speeding this up and then putting the knee up and then start to bounce off of my heels, I'm now doing what is a jog on the spot. So the first point of that was just coming up and then starting to increase the pace and then starting to bounce off of that forefoot and heel, making sure the whole of my foot comes off when I'm doing the repetitions. So watch my foot. Notice how the whole foot comes up off the floor, so I don't keep a part of my foot on. All of the foot comes off the floor, and we're doing that side to side. Now we can start to increase the speed and also the arm movement. So as I'm doing that first movement, I can then brace my core and start to bring my arms in rhythm at the same time, moving back and forth. So that now looks like this, and if we speed up even more, we can go even faster into jogging on the spot. That's how to do jogging on the spot. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets, seconds, or repetitions.